Welcome to Phi Phi Island, and this is my hotel, and I'm gonna head to the Andaman Sea, kind of check out both sides, Dulum, and then go see Tunzai, or vice versa. So follow along and let's go. And these stairs, I love these stairs because they give me a really good workout. There's cats everywhere. And this particular guest house, you go straight up and you will hit viewpoint number 1, and then you go all the way to the 3rd viewpoint. This is kind of an overview. Here's Dulum, and that is to the north, and then south you have Tunzai Bay, where I actually came in there, and this is where I'm at right here. So what you do is make our way around and then check out Dulum, and then come down, check Tunzai Pier. So pretty neat. Nice walk today, beautiful day. One thing nice is they really direct you to where you're going. And it's kind of early in the morning, it's like 9 o'clock, so not a lot opened. Lots to see here in the village. Not a lot of folks up yet because it's still early. So this is Dulum. Very beautiful. Now this is on the north side of Phi Phi. Now we'll head down to Tunzai. Very beautiful, and the tide is slowly making its way in. Water is so clean. I just love the prettiness of these longtail boats. over here on the east side. And now we'll head over there to Tunzai. This is actually just a short walk from Tunzai across, so it's really just minutes. It's always really neat to go through the village. It's getting a little bit more lively now. Back to a map check. It's just here, and now I'm heading down there. That's where I actually came in at. It is such a lively place, and I would highly recommend, if you ever come to Thailand, is definitely go to visit the islands. You will not regret it. Here, this is a split point that way to Dulum, and this is Tunzai Pier. Not yet. And this is the beach. Take a look over here on the other side and see what it looks like. So this is Tunzai Bay, and look at all those beautiful longtails. Another shot of the pier. Come over here, check this side. And this is another nice view. The water is so clean. Through. Through this way. A lot of lively activity now. People getting ready to transfer, go on boat tours. Get another view of the beach from this side of Tunzai. So this is kind of a review. Went from my hotel over there at the start, went to Dulum, came down to Tunzai, and very quick. Beautiful day, and I hope to see you in my next video, so see ya.